If you're looking for a quick and easy way to get a project bill of materials and quote for K2 Systems racking, you can use K2 Quote. Please note that it is currently for the US only, as it is based off of the US products and price list. It's also important to note that this tool is only available for Crossrail system projects at the moment, but more systems will be added moving forward. When you go to the K2 Systems website, make sure you're on the page for the US, then at the top you will see a button that says K2 Quote. Click on that and it will take you directly to the tool. You do not need an account to use the tool, but if you are wanting to save your projects, then you will be prompted to create an account. To create a bill of materials, first select your module manufacturer and model. If you don't see your module manufacturer on the list, you can create a custom module and enter the dimensions. Then you'll select your attachment spacing. If your attachment spacing is custom, you can enter that manually. Then you'll select your rail type, rail length, rail color, and end clamp. Then it's time to add your roof arrays. Select Roof 1 and Draw, then click and drag to the amount of modules you want to have on that array. If you want to remove any modules, you can simply click on it to deselect it, and it will turn back to gray. If you want to erase multiple modules, you can click the Erase button and click and drag to erase modules from your array. If your project has multiple roofs, you can add a roof and do another quick array layout. This will use the same parameters that you selected on the left-hand side for Roof 1. To the right of the module rows, there is a button that allows you to change the orientation of the module from portrait to landscape. You can increase the rows and columns of your project if the default 5x20 is not sufficient. If your project is larger than 20 columns, simply click on the icon and select 20+. This will open your design into a pop-up window so you can add as many columns as you need. Make sure to click Save Changes, then it will go back to the standard window. If you are referencing a roof plan that you already have, you can upload it into the K2 Quote tool so you can confirm everything is correct on one screen. When you're ready, go ahead and click on Get Estimate. A disclaimer will pop up reminding you that this is not an engineered design and can only be used for quoting purposes. Click on Continue and it will populate the BOM for your project. If you have a discount percentage, please enter it here to get a more precise number for your total cost. The BOM automatically uses a generic attachment, but if you know what K2 specific product you want to use, you can select it here. Choose your roof covering, then the appropriate attachment, and this will replace generic attachment with your choice and the correct pricing. If you want to have any extra product on hand, you can go ahead and increase your quantities in this column. You can also add additional accessories from the checklist if you'd like. Once you're happy with the bill of materials, you can go ahead and download it as an Excel or CSV file. Or if you're not ready to submit it just yet, you can go ahead and save your project and come back to it at a later time. To go back to a project, click on your account and go to Projects. One trick to speed up your quotes moving forward is that if you are using the same rail, attachments, and modules for all of your projects, you can simply duplicate it from your project list and edit the roofs based on that specific project without having to change anything on your parts list. If you didn't mean to duplicate and you just want to do a new project, all you have to do is click the New Project button from that screen. If you need to update any of your information, you can go to your profile. You can also add your company and other members from your company so you can easily share projects and quotes between each other. If you want to get an engineered design, you can click on the dashboard and go directly to Base. If you have any questions on K2 Quote, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you for watching.